Hello Game Squad and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an update for you guys and it's on the unit that I am currently wearing. So a recap, this is Bobbi Boss Yanni. The color, I had to put it down below, I think it's like THH1B/3616, something like that. So I will include that in the description bar as well as a link to the original initial unboxing of this unit. So let's go ahead and get into this update. I've been wearing her for a whole week straight. So to work, the first night I wore her was the Rockets game, and then after that I've just been wearing her every day to work. So I've been wearing her for a week straight, and I still love her. Like I love the color. It's just a beautiful color. This kind of golden brown, kind of caramel brown here, and transitions into like a 27, so like the gold blonde, and then at the end it has the pale blonde. So I'm still in love with the color. I have been actually wearing her as a middle part. She is big head friendly. I have not used the Got to Be Glued method. I'm so happy about that. I'm trying to give my edges a break. So I love the fact that she's big head friendly. I don't even use bobby pins. I don't even have the adjustable straps hooked in. So I've just been using the combs, and the combs actually work, because sometimes the combs don't work in a lot of units. But in this one, they do. They actually do the job they're supposed to do. They don't pull at my edges. I don't have, I don't see pieces of my hair coming out in the comb, because it's big head friendly, so it's not sliding back. So it's not pulling or tugging or anything. It's just securing the unit directly to my head. No issues, no problems. So love that about her. What else? She's synthetic. She's not a human hair mix, so she does tangle. She tangles in the nape area. It doesn't become like this ugly, matted, tangled mess. You just know if you're doing this, you're like, okay, here, she has some tangles in her. I don't really have to brush her throughout the day, maybe once, but that's because I move around a lot in the type of job that I do and the environment I'm in. So I think if you were kind of just pretty much stationary, I don't think she would get too crazy on you if you need to constantly comb her, or maybe if you're in the wind or something. I don't know. So as far as the ends, so the ends are getting a little bit frizzy, not a lot, which is really surprising that they're not, especially since it's the blonde color, and typically the blonde units and some of the other extreme colors, you might get a little frizzing on the edges, the ends, but she actually it's not too bad on the frizzing on her. I could probably wear it for another day or two and not have to do anything with the ends. So I mean, you could tell I've been wearing her, so she's not as straight and sleek as when I first got her, but I mean, I feel like she looks really good. So final thoughts on Yanni. I like her. I like her so much that I'm ordering her again. Like I've been searching online trying to find her, and I found her from a website in the color I want. So I found a website that still has this color, and there's a red color I kind of want to try. So I might not get the red, but I'm definitely going to order this blonde again because I really like her. And she's not too thick. I know a lot of people didn't like her because she's kind of dense, really thin. But for me, in this weather and the work I do, I think she's perfect as far as how, thick and thin she is. So anyway, quick update on Yanni. If anybody's purchased her, let me know what you think. How does she hold up for you? Did you like her? Share your thoughts. Okay guys, just pause for 1 second. Just want to let you know that I did another update to Yanni, and I put in these beautiful, beautiful barrel curls into her, and I love it. All right guys, well, I'm actually filming 2 videos right now. So check out the next one. I'm not loading them back to back. They'll be a week apart, but if you're watching this, there's another one on the way, and this one's going to be initial unboxing of a new unit that I purchased. So you know what? If you subscribe and then you hit that bell and you get notifications, then you know when I upload this next one. So just go ahead and do that, and you don't have to worry about if you're going to know, because you're going to be in the know. right? All right, guys. Oh, she does come with baby hairs. Forgot to say that. I did say that in my initial unboxing. She comes with baby hairs, but I still haven't used the baby hairs. I just kind of keep them out, make them like little wispies in the front. But these are my own baby hairs that I just keep out. And yeah, so anyway. All right, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. Any questions or comments? Thought I had a visitor. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks again so much for watching. Bye.